How to withdraw money from G League. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can withdraw money from G League. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can withdraw money from G League. And make sure to watch this video till the end to understand the process. First of all, launch your G League application. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. You're just going to go to the play section here at the bottom, and you'll be able to see a profile at the top right. Just click on it, and when you click on the profile, after going through some ads, you should be able to see your total balance here. And when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find different kind of information, referrals here, like inviting your friends and getting more balance, or getting $3 for every friend you refer to who creates an account. You may just invite your friends and go on with the referral process. After that, here you can see transaction section. Just go to transaction in order to go over the process of withdrawing. And here you can see all transactions here. So you're going to click on this drop down option for all transactions. And here you can see cash out option. So you're just going to tap on cash out and apply filters. After applying filters, you may just go on with the process of cash out, like withdrawal process. And you should be able to withdraw your money from G League just like that. Go on with the verification process, like entering your code and you should be able to cash out. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.